If you're a true Nutella lover, then this video is made just for you. We're taking you deep inside the journey of how Nutella begins its life, starting from the world's largest cocoa pod farms. Our journey starts at a massive cocoa plantation, where cocoa trees are carefully grown and monitored until the pods reach perfect maturity. Skilled workers then hand-harvest the cocoa pods, selecting only the highest quality ones. This careful selection is crucial, because the quality of Nutella depends heavily on what happens right here on the farm. Once harvested, the cocoa pods are collected into large containers and transported to a nearby processing unit attached to the farm. This is where things start to get really interesting. Powerful cutting machines slice the cocoa pods cleanly in half, revealing the valuable core hidden inside. At this stage, experienced workers quickly separate the cocoa nibs that protect the cocoa beans. These nibs are carefully extracted and set aside, ensuring the beans remain undamaged. The process may look simple, but precision and speed are key to maintaining quality. Next, the cocoa nibs are left to air dry naturally. Over time, a dry outer layer forms on their surface, preparing them for the next critical step. After drying, each batch is inspected and tested to confirm it meets the standards required for producing premium cocoa butter and rich chocolate, the very foundation of Nutella. The fact that these nibs break easily during testing is actually a good sign, indicating they're perfectly ready for roasting and further processing. Now take a closer look as the cocoa beans enter the next phase of processing. The sealed cocoa bean packs are opened and poured into a large hopper. From here, the beans slowly move forward into collection bins with the help of powerful vibrating systems. These vibrators play a crucial role. First, they use controlled vibrations to gently remove the thin outer skin from the cocoa beans. Once the skin is separated, the clean beans are transferred directly into industrial roasters. As roasting begins, heat causes the shells to loosen, revealing the cocoa bean hidden inside. Specialized separating machines then detach the beans from their husks. The empty shells are collected on one side, while the valuable cocoa beans continue their journey toward grinding. Next, the roasted cocoa beans are sent into grinding machines, where they are crushed and refined into smooth cocoa powder, a key ingredient that gives Nutella its rich chocolate flavor. But cocoa isn't the only ingredient needed. Let's move on to another essential component, sugar. The process begins with the harvesting of sugar beets, which are collected and transported to a processing unit. At the facility, the sugar beets go through multiple cleaning stages to remove any impurities. After cleaning, they are shredded and processed further to produce refined white sugar. Sugar plays a vital role in Nutella's signature taste, so quality control is extremely strict. Once the sugar passes all testing and quality checks, it is placed into vibration-controlled systems. This final step ensures that only the purest, highest quality sugar is approved for use in Nutella production. Now it's time to talk about another key ingredient, milk. For this, the producers work exclusively with farms that raise healthy, well-fed, and stress-free cows. The reason is simple: happier cows produce sweeter, higher-quality milk in greater quantities. Farm owners regularly share detailed reports with the quality assurance teams, keeping them updated on the cow's health, living conditions, and milk output. This constant monitoring ensures consistency and premium quality from the very beginning. Once the milk reaches the dedicated processing line, it doesn't go straight into production. The first step is strict quality testing. Only after the milk passes every inspection and receives approval from experts is it cleared for use in Nutella production. With cocoa, sugar, and milk secured, it's time to move on to the final major ingredient, hazelnuts. For this, factory flow takes you to Turkey, a country famous for producing some of the world's finest hazelnuts in large quantities. Hazelnut harvesting begins based on production demands. Heavy machinery is used to collect the nuts, along with some natural debris from the ground. Advanced equipment then separates the hazelnuts from the unwanted material, while powerful air blowers return the remaining debris back to the soil. Once collected, the hazelnuts are transported to the factory, where the next stage of processing begins. At the factory, the hazelnuts are first roasted to enhance their aroma and flavor. After roasting, the shells are carefully removed, and the nuts are processed into a smooth, rich paste. At this stage, human inspection is absolutely essential. Trained workers visually check the nuts to make sure no unwanted material slips through and compromises the final taste. Now comes one of the most critical ingredients, palm oil. This ingredient plays a key role in preventing Nutella from hardening while also improving its smooth texture and flavor. The production of palm oil begins with harvesting fresh palm fruit bunches. These bunches are transported to processing facilities, where they are first sterilized and then threshed. This process separates the individual fruits from the bunches. Next, the separated fruits are mechanically pressed to extract the palm oil. Once the oil is collected, it is refined and prepared for food-grade use. After gathering all the essential ingredients, we return to the factory where the real magic begins. Nutella production officially starts with blending the hazelnut paste into raw cocoa powder inside large industrial mixers. As the mixing continues, the natural oils present in both cocoa and hazelnuts combine to create a silky smooth texture. This transformation turns the mixture into the rich, creamy base that Nutella is famous for. Next, the ingredients are added one by one to perfect the taste and consistency. Now all the essential ingredients gathered earlier are brought together. The cocoa hazelnut paste, refined sugar, milk powder, and a few closely guarded secret ingredients are added into massive mixers and allowed to blend for a precise amount of time. After this carefully controlled mixing process, the result is the Nutella chocolate spread we all love. Just looking at its glossy, creamy consistency is enough to make anyone consider declaring today a cheat day. Without wasting a second, the filling process begins. The fresh Nutella is poured into glass jars with extreme precision, ensuring the flavor and freshness are perfectly sealed inside. Every jar is filled, sealed, and packed in perfect synchronization, with machines working seamlessly together. Of course, no jar is complete without its iconic Nutella label. Each container is labeled meticulously before moving further down the production line. Next, attention shifts to the larger buckets, which are filled using clean, high-efficiency nozzles. Watching this process is oddly satisfying, as the thick spread flows smoothly into each container. Once filled, the buckets pass under advanced detection systems to confirm they are properly sealed. This step prevents leakage and ensures that not a single drop of Nutella goes to waste. Finally, powerful rollers secure the seals flawlessly, completing this beautifully coordinated process. Every biscuit layer that comes down the line is handled with incredible precision using advanced automated machines. Plain biscuit layers pass over the conveyor from above, while the cream-coated layers move beneath them, allowing both sides to align perfectly. What's most impressive is how effortlessly these machines perform such a delicate task. Everything happens with perfect timing, no spills, no mess, and no wasted filling. If you're enjoying seeing how smart and efficient this process is, don't forget to like the video on Factory Flow. Where else do you get to see such beautifully engineered machines producing jam biscuits so quickly and in massive quantities? These systems know the exact moment to dispense the filling, ensuring clean results every single time. Let me show you how this entire process unfolds at an incredible speed. It's engineering at its finest. That's exactly why these machines are capable of producing and dispatching nearly 100 million biscuits every single day. The precision and speed are simply unmatched. As the biscuits are shaped, some designs like the sunflower pattern look even more satisfying when they're gently pressed into form. It's fascinating to watch machines this intelligently designed produce jam biscuits with such smoothness, accuracy, and efficiency. You may have tried countless red velvet cupcakes before, but now let's take a look at how something just as irresistible is made. Now let's take a closer look at how that eye-catching buttercream is applied in bulk on top of the cupcakes. This inside the factory footage makes one thing clear. Every cupcake is prepared with strict attention to cleanliness and care. The cupcake trays never pause, not even for a moment. Thanks to high-speed automated systems, the production line keeps moving non-stop, maintaining both efficiency and consistency. Multiple ingredients are combined to create a specially formulated dough, and the best part is that the entire process is completely automated. From mixing to shaping, machines handle everything with precision. Once the dough is perfectly prepared, it's transferred into large hoppers. From there, precision cutters release an exact amount of dough onto the moving conveyor belt. This level of control ensures uniform size and quality for every single cupcake. The biggest advantage of this system is speed. It allows manufacturers to produce massive quantities of identical products in a much shorter time without compromising on quality. Let me show you how this dough is prepared to create soft and fluffy waffles. After mixing, the dough is placed into proofing chambers, where it's left to rise for a carefully controlled amount of time. Once the dough has properly proofed, massive waffle makers are greased and preheated, ready for action. The dough balls then move smoothly into the waffle machines, where they are evenly cooked from start to finish. From the moment they enter the machine to the moment they come out, each waffle is cooked to perfection. The result is a batch of golden mini waffles with a light and airy texture. These waffles are produced in fully equipped, ready-made factories designed to speed up your breakfast routine. This process ensures that every waffle reaches you quickly, consistently, and with maximum freshness.